Want to know if you have a plaintiff's personal injury claim? We can help you with that. In order to have a viable plaintiff's personal injury case in Massachusetts, you have to have 4 elements. And that's the elements of negligence: duty, breach, causation, and damages. Those elements are: there was a person that had a responsibility to act in a reasonably prudent manner, and they violated that responsibility, and that violation caused you damages. We take that kind of gray amorphic standard and we apply it to the facts of your case to determine if you have a plaintiff's personal injury case. If we find that the tortfeasor caused damages to you by acting unreasonable, you have a plaintiff's personal injury case. You have to have sufficient damages. And then, of course, there has to be either an insurance policy or some sum of compensation or available money to compensate you for your damages. And while the official rule of law is duty, breach, causation, damages, the kind of unwritten 5th element is there money to pay for those damages? Now, of course, people always come to me and say, well, let's sue them personally, and let's take their house and their bank accounts and their money. In most instances, the house is protected up to $250,000 or $500,000 and can't be forced sale by our homestead statute. And bank accounts, maybe you can attach, but is there enough money to really adequately compensate a person? The number one way is that insurance policy. And the question is, can we find an insurance company that's going to compensate a person for the damages and injuries that they sustain? If we can establish that the tortfeasor violated their standard of care, acting as a reasonably prudent person, and that violation caused damages, you have a plaintiff's personal injury case. Call us today.